What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to
Quavo.
Quavo.
Disciples.
Disciples.
Better be a good song.
Jesus, Quavo is gonna make an entire album grieving.
That's what. Yeah, because it's the album. The album's out, so maybe that's the whole thing.
Is he grieving the entire album?
Maybe we'll see.
Yes, Quavo. Go to therapy, bro.
This year I can't play with y'all, nigga, I'm just saying. I just have my heart frozen now and close my hand.
What pens are
Ain't
those?
got nothing to give, niggas out here playing. I know it been some years, but now I'm taking Xans. All tears for my man. Wipe my eyes, then start laying. Don't be talking, somebody watching, get off the phone. Somebody clocking, what we doing? Somebody hop in the whip, let's slide. Ain't no demon with disciples. Malcolm had a rifle, had to roll up in some Bible paper.
Okay, I give Quavo some credit. Just some credit. At least he's sticking to the topic at hand, the theme at hand. My biggest critique is that he's still talking about sliding. Like Quavo needs to.
When it's test day, people don't show up, but they've been studying their whole lives, but they never want to take the test.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, Quavo needs to, like, he's been talking about lean and pills for the last 10 years.
It's getting boring.
Especially
now.
in his first album, well, not his first album, but post what happened, he needs to rebrand himself a bit. Like, he really
needs to grow, just become a person.
Like, get a wife or something and have something else to talk about.
Nah, I wouldn't get a wife.
Especially if, but you can't always be the single guy who's rapping about Xans and sliding up on niggas. And
the problem is people want to be Future, and Future's a one of one. you can't be Future, boy. Future's one of one. He's the only guy that's like, okay, he can pull that off for the rest of his life.
Like, what we doing? Somebody hop in the whip, let's slide. Ain't no demon with disciples. Malcolm had a
this beat.
rifle, had to roll up in some
Even this
Bible
video,
paper.
I like the colors.
That's my bitch, I told her suck it later. We got some shit we got to handle, baby. If you ain't his uncle, I don't expect you to say shit. I'm a
Wait, your pull-up guy riding shotgun is a white guy?
No, that's smart. Okay, I mean, I'm looking at those arms. I don't know if he's really white.
If he was white,
But,
it would be smart, but it's still not smart because he has damn tattoos in his forearms.
He's identifiable.
don't expect you to say shit. I'ma shoot my shot if I get my chance, I take it. Ain't no Muslim, I need all the bacon. I need all the cash. I'ma trap right here to the block is
Ain't no Muslim, I need all the bacon. That's fire, Quavo.
no Muslim, I need all the bacon. I need all the cash. I'ma trap right here to the block is vacant. Now it turned into survival. I don't trust nothing but my family and my rifle. I ain't paying attention to nobody but my rivals. Ain't know I had that many bosses in my iPhone. Please don't tell on me no way home. No way. I'ma always find your way home. I got a big old bag, I gotta keep up back of that dog shit. Dirty money, wash my hands with dirty money and wash it clean. Everybody know I go McKnight the way them birds sing. Preaching non-violence with my gun, Huncho Luther King. What you wanna be a gangster or a chief. Long as I live and I breathe, you can't take my seat. This year I can't play with y'all, nigga, I'm just saying. I just have my heart frozen now and close my
Why do you have
hand.
a hole in the
Ain't
sun?
got nothing to give, niggas out here playing. I know it been some years, but now I'm taking Xans. All tears for my man. Wipe my eyes, then start laying. Don't be talking, somebody watching, get off the phone. Somebody clocking, what we doing? Somebody hop in the whip, let's slide.
I must say, he's performing very well. He is performing very well.
He's killing it at that level again, of the peak Migos level.
Yeah, he's performing very well. Jesus. Yo, okay, Quavo. Okay.
We disciples. Malcolm had a rifle, had to roll.
Oh, come on.
Where the fuck are you? Are
Not
you in
this
prison
again.
or what?
Yeah, he's in a prison.
Then why does he have a flipping cupboard with a rifle and a phone next to it? Like, this makes no sense.
It's because he's getting the music video treatment.
And some Bible paper. That's my
But the
bitch,
rich
I
was
told her
privileges.
suck it later.
Yeah. Where is he?
Call me back. We got some shit we got to handle, baby. Hello? Yo, what's up? Man, I don't even feel like talking right now. I don't like talking about this shit on the phone.
Isn't he your guy?
Isn't he your guy?
I'm so confused. I hate it when things leave me confused. But anyway, I like this track. This track sounds good.
Yeah, it
I
sounds
need to
good.
hear it in good speakers and
Good
everything,
music video
and-
also. I like the music video.
Yeah, it's
like the
it's
music
very
video.
nice. Like the
I'm still a big critique of Quavo in terms of his artistic inputs, his
because it's been
artistic
10 years now,
endeavors.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, since Versace, it's 10 years now.
And especially what happened with his nephew, bro. Like, find out something else to rap about. Like,
I think more
you
than
can you
anything,
can come back to this. You can come back to this, but just
yeah, it's the opportune moment to just showcase your humanity.
that's what I'm saying. If you wanna make a song where you're talking about your cousin and you're grieving, make that song. Talk about that shit from start to finish. Let it out. Don't reference it in multiple music videos and then have a music video where you have a fucking gun. And come on, like,
Mhm.
what the fuck? Especially
But maybe time will tell. Maybe he'll bring something of substance with time.
yeah, but he's hotter now than he
That's ever
ever
been.
been as a solo artist. He's hotter now because of the situation. Everyone is waiting to see what
He's gonna do,
be
yeah.
releasing. And the tough guy thing is not working. It's not gonna work.
It doesn't correlate. Because you have nothing to back it up by. Thing is, if you're gonna say you're a brand, you need to back it up. Because,
Yeah.
for instance, let's say Wiz Khalifa. Wiz Khalifa is exactly who he says he is. He's a cool guy, who likes to smoke, have a good time. He embodies that thing.
Though I will give him some credit. I haven't seen any ass in his latest music videos, which is a plus because Jesus Christ, you rappers. Ass in music videos, weed in music videos, he's still guilty of that recently. Yeah. But yeah, shout out to him. I
I
hope
like this track.
I like the song too. I hope he comes back with something different next time around.
Anyway, guys, please like, subscribe,
Mhm.
and suggest any other videos you want us to react to, any kind, even if it's a track or not. Anything we'll react to it. We'll give you a shout out in the description and in the video. Otherwise, check out other videos that we have on the channel. Bunch of videos. Watch them, like them, share them, all of the good stuff, and we'll see you on the other one.
Cool.